Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to studs, you have three typical spacings. Either 12 on center, 16 on center, or 24 inches on center. So in our first example, this is 12 inches apart. This is also 12 inches apart. So these studs are 12 inches on center. So when you go from center to center, you should have roughly 12 inches. Next, what we'll do is look at 16-inch spacing, or 16 on center. All right, so here we have a 16-inch spacing. 16 inches. So this is our second spacing distance that you have with studs. Now we're going to go and look at 24-inch spacing, or 24-inch on center. All right, so these are 24 on center. This is a 24-inch spacing. So guys, between 12, 16, and 24, a 4x8 or a 4x10 sheet of drywall or plywood. When you start it right on the middle, at the other end, you're going to wind up on the middle of the stud. That is the whole idea of these spacings. If you use a different spacing, that's going to screw you up if you're either going to sheet your project with plywood or drywall. Guys, stick to these numbers and your job will go as well as possible. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.